This tutorial introduces LinkedIn Job and Job Search. LinkedIn Jobs is similar to most jobs boards but has some additional benefits. These include it makes suggestions based on preferences that you set. It will show your connections to companies who are advertising, for example, alumni, your contacts. You can really easily find out if anyone in your wider network works there, or people could introduce you to people working there. You can indicate to recruiters that you're actively seeking opportunities, and many opportunities feature LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature. There are a couple of main ways to find jobs. You can either just start typing here, so let's say I'm interested in marketing roles. I could click this link, jobs requiring skills marketing, or I can just hit the search icon there and then click through to the jobs tab from the results. So I can see there's loads of opportunities. Probably want to filter these down. So for example, if I was interested in marketing opportunities in Leeds, click add under the location and hit that, or change the location at the top. You can filter down on loads of different features. Ones which will probably be particularly useful are the experience level. So as a student or graduate, I'd be interested probably mostly in entry level or internship opportunities, and also the industry and potentially job function. But I'm just going to talk through a few things you can find out from here. And this is some of the ways where LinkedIn Jobs varies massively from other jobs boards. So I can see it shows me that if other alumni of, in this case, Reading, where I did my most recent degree, work there. So again, you've got that alumni connection, and also company alumni, so people who have previously worked at the company you're currently working or have worked at previously, so people you're likely to have a connection with. You can also, if you click through to the actual job advert itself, explore your network and wider network and see if any people that you know already work there or who could introduce you. And how you do this is from the job advert itself, click on the link to the company page. On the company page it will say see all however many employees on LinkedIn. Click that and then it shows you and it ranks them. So I've got loads of second degree connections there, so that means that I have at least one connection in common with each of these people. So again, then it will show me who my shared connections are. I can look at those, find the person that I most want to speak to at this company, see who my shared connection is, and ask my shared connection if they would introduce me to that person. LinkedIn does suggest jobs to you, so if you go back to the beginning and if you just click through to the jobs tab, you will see this jobs you may be interested in. Now this is based both on your profile but also your interests. You can update your interests in this section. So I could add various job titles in there, the kind of job titles I'm interested in. I can add multiple locations. I can add what types of jobs I'm interested in, what sizes of companies, the industries, etc. So it's worth having a look at that. And then that will improve the suggested jobs that you get shown. From here, you can also let recruiters know that you're open. So this section at the top here, this is a tool that LinkedIn has introduced fairly recently, and it basically is a way of indicating to recruiters that you're kind of actively seeking opportunities. It does these things, so gives you higher profile in search results, says you receive more opportunities, etc. I would say if you don't want a current employer to know that you're actively seeking, I would probably avoid using this. As LinkedIn says here, they try and avoid showing that to your current company, but they can't guarantee it. So just use with caution. The final thing that I wanted to show you in relation to jobs is, and LinkedIn jobs specifically, is this what's called Easy Apply. So you'll see I've just gone back to the search that I originally did for marketing roles. Some of them have this Easy Apply next to them. And all that means is if you click through to the job advert, you have a look at that, you feel you meet the criteria you want to apply. If you use the Easy Apply feature, what that does is send your LinkedIn profile to that company. If you are doing this, you do have the option to upload additional files, so you might want to add a CV as well, for example. I would say if you are doing this, always include like a covering letter in this section, so you could upload a covering letter specifically for that opportunity. So to summarise then, LinkedIn Jobs is similar to most jobs boards but has some additional benefits, notably that it will suggest jobs based on your preferences, will show how you're connected to companies, who in your wider network works there or could introduce you. You can indicate to recruiters that you're actively seeking opportunities, and many opportunities feature easy apply. You can learn more about LinkedIn at our YouTube channel, at the LinkedIn Students and Graduates website, or by attending one of our LinkedIn labs that take place in term time. See mycareer.leeds.ac.uk for forthcoming sessions. And also a reminder that we're here to support you with any careers related query, either during or after your time at Leeds.